Guess what, guys? We got another video. It's your boy Chico Grande, aka Chico 2 times. And we got my co-host Sleazy Joe. And we're checking out Lil Yachty's Strike Holster, directed by Cole Bennett. And what do you think we're going to see here, co-host?
First off, it's Big Block to you.
No, I'm Big Block. You try to steal my new nickname, you'll get beat down to Mini Block.
To mini blocks.
To no block.
To Legos. Nah, it's your boy Jesse J, man. We got Lil Yachty Strike
He's Mega Block. So I'm Big Block.
We got this directed by Cole Bennett. You know Cole Bennett always directed
Lyrical Lemonade, dude.
Oh yeah, and then I wonder if this is gonna be better than I Took the Walk to the Corner Store. That song was amazing.
What are you doing over there, Throatiana?
Oh, it's playing a video.
Checking that gag reflex. Look, Yachty's doing it too.
It's us.
Okay.
I was eager. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a
match
Minnesota. Night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike. You know that shit on real when you heard it.
Got that walk.
I know Lil Yachty was clean. I don't do nothing but eat pizza.
Doing a lot more than pizza these days.
You see that big bottle in the back?
Man had cracked the seal, I begged him to sell it to stars in the roof, this shit ain't nothing, I switched to coupe. Emo bitch, she like to go take shrooms.
Should've had a straw.
Rewind this song real quick. Like, keep going no more. Like the 20. Is this about lean? Is this song about lean?
I'm trying to get a thumbnail. If you would participate. Other way.
Night, yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike. You know that shit on real.
Love with lean.
Already do. You know that guy ain't supposed to.
Comment below if you ever done lean.
This Bottega shit I shopped at.
What it tastes like?
Drink man had cracked this.
What you mix it with?
The sweetest syrup you ever tasted. The sweetest nectar is the nectar of the gods.
You mix it with that cotton candy Fanta.
Cream soda.
He can't play me bank. I switch out whips like they switch out shoes.
Sprite. Whatever you like.
Okay.
That Faygo cream.
It's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck.
He said he was raw dog and he was geeking.
I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike. Slide. Shoulder, shoulder. Stack them old hunts, recreate Yoda. I don't put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Balenciaga out in Dover. 220. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenciaga Costa.
I thought that would be your favorite part right there.
Gun in my holster. Gun in my holster. New Balenciaga out in Dover. 220. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenciaga Costa.
Hanging off the edge of a dot.
And who's this girl? Comment below. Who's this girl?
This is new girl.
It's us.
Okay.
I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike.
Hey, I got it.
Strike.
This is a strike. This is all pins down, man. Hey, man, 300. That's what getting going right. Like 300. This sounds pretty good.
Slide. I don't put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Balenciaga out in Dover. 220. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenciaga Costa.
I don't have no drink.
Okay. It's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was
We need to hang out with Lil
strike
Yachty.
shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike.
Strike. Like I ain't going to work. Fact, we ain't going to work. You get all these views. Man, hey, I got to admit it, right? You finna play it again?
Nah.
Oh, I got to admit that Lil Yachty once again surprised me because...
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
look-
what I was trying to
Lil
get.
Yachty once again surprised me because I would have never seen this coming. Like, this is hit
You
after
didn't see
hit.
the walk from Poland coming. What are you just quit
I didn't
playing
see
with
that
my
either.
guy?
I mean, hey,
Quit playing with Lil
hey,
Yachty.
whoever said Lil Yachty
Take
is
Lil
the
Yachty
one,
to the potty.
Lil Yachty is no longer taking L's from How High 2. We already know that was the biggest.
That was a W.
You like How High 2?
No, I've never seen it. But the fact that he's in it,
He did it with him and
give him
DC.
the W.
Him and DC Young Fly.
Nah, never mind. Give him the minus. I can't co-sign anything DC Young Fly does.
Disrespect.
That man rode the short bus.
Oh man, and I mean, hey, it is what it is. But it's time to do what we do the best, baby. We time to rate the video 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest.
All right, throat coat, what you got?
You got jokes. You got a joke, Mr. Jokey Joke over here.
Lynn.
I give it a 10. No, real talk, I give it a 10.
You're giving
man.
it 10?
10, man.
I'm giving
Big
it 10, man.
tens.
Big tings over
Big
here. I'm
tings.
giving it a 10 too. So you know what I mean?
Ooh.
Perfect stamp, man.
Who
I stole your stamp and then I stamp it again, man. That's a double stamp, 2-time stamp.
Ooh, all right. Calm down, Kanye. Calm down.
It's Kanyezu.
Fish sticks.
That's your treat of choice. Oh, look, we got. He says, "I'll give it a 10.
The dog give it a 10.
I give it 10 paws up. 10 paws up.
Here, dog,
The mellow man.
How was that 10 balls?
Not 10 paws, but little.
Hey man, but once again, I need y'all to comment below what y'all giving in this video. Scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest, and also let us know, is Lil Yachty coming up? Like, am I missing something? Was this on the last album that he just dropped that I just didn't listen to?
We check out so much new music. Sometimes it's hard. You know, you're like, oh, I barely listen to this, and there's already new stuff coming out. So then it just goes by the wayside. So let us know if we missed out on any fire music from Lil Yachty. Put it in the comments below what you rated 1 out of 10.
I love
We
Lil
love this song. I'm adding it to the playlist. Check out our playlist on our podcast channel, Tales from the Crib podcast. We got 4 music mixes. We're going to add this to the newest one, which is TFTC Music Mix number 4. Just like Yachty putting up the 4.
he put
Check
4?
out Music Mix number 4.
That was good.
But thanks for checking us out. Do you have any final words?
Hey, once again, you already know what I'm gonna say, man. Y'all already, if you watch it to the end, you might as well hit the like button or comment on, or just hit the subscribe button. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Let us know how you feeling. Let us know how your week going. And you already know we from Poland. We out.
Come on, throw Tiana. You
Bye.
need to calm down. You're going to get the wrong type of subscribers.
Oh man, whatever.
We'll see you in the next one.